Alright, Alona is buying dirt to fill her garden bed. That is a 9-foot by 12-foot rectangle. She wants to fill it to a depth of 6 inches. How many cubic yards of dirt does she need? Round to the nearest cubic yard if necessary. Now here, before we start this problem, we have to pay close attention to our units. Look, here we have 9 feet, 12 feet, 6 inches, and then they want our answer in cubic yards. The cubic yards part tells us that we're going to do a volume problem, but we can't do anything if we're working in 3 different units of measurement, if we're working in feet, inches, and yards. So since they want our final answer here to be in yards, we need to take all of our measurements and convert them to yards. So there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So 3 feet in 1 yard would equal 9 feet over x yards. So here we get 3x is equal to 9, divide by 3, x equals 3 yards. So 9 feet is equal to 3 yards. 12 feet, we're just again going to divide by 3, is equal to 4 yards. And then 6 inches, first we need to convert that into feet. So 6 inches is 1/2 of a foot. And then we have to do 1/2 divided by 3, which is like multiplying by 1/3, to get 1/6 of a yard. So 6 inches is equal to 1/6 yards. So now we have new dimensions and we can actually do the problem. So I'm going to write them up here. We know 9 feet is 3 yards. 12 feet is 4 yards. And 6 inches is 1/6 of a yard. Now we can find the volume. So, volume is the area of the base times the height. Here our base is a rectangle. It's 9 foot by 12 foot, or, talking yards, it's 3 yards by 4 yards. So to find the area of that, we need to do 3 times 4. When we do that, we get that the area is 12 yards squared. Now that we have the area, we can find the volume. So the volume is the area of the base, which is 12, times the height, which is 1/6. Because remember, it's 1/6 of a yard. So we have to do 12 times 1/6. And we can do that on our calculator. 12 times 1/6 is equal to 2. So the volume is equal to 2 cubic yards. That is the volume of her garden. So the next part here says, if the dirt costs $24 per cubic yard, how much will the project cost? Well, if her garden is 2 cubic yards, and it costs $24 per yard, 2 times 24 is 48. So it will cost her $48 to put dirt into her garden.